Who says the muscle car era was dead by 1974? It wasn't. This is a 1974 Pontiac Trans Am Super Duty. The manufacturers were concerned about emissions and gas mileage at the time. There was a few guys at Pontiac, though, that still had that need for speed. These cars were actually snuck past the top brass. They were built and they weren't supposed to be built. They are a special, hand-assembled, special block, high-performance 455 motor. Total in 74, they made like 900 and something of these, 700 and something were automatic, so it's an extremely rare car, documented by Pontiac, has a great story that goes with the Super Duties, a great part of the muscle car history. They're very, very special cars. This one's a documented numbers matching example. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can read the information, study about 100 pictures top to bottom. That's where you'll find a price tag on every car we have for sale, along with a monthly finance payment. 10% down, and the banks will go about 12, 13 years on almost all my cars. Go to volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you will be notified when the next one's posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this is just a nice, clean example of a Trans Am Super Duty. Underneath is well preserved. It's not rusted at all. The floors, the rockers, all that looks to be, have good integrity, original clean metal. Maintained as needed. I'm sure the front end's been rebuilt. Those components aren't original from 74, but they're not brand new either. Trans Ams come with some sort of sport suspension. It has sway bars front and back. We got disc brakes in the front. It's got the correct type dual exhaust system with a transverse muffler and then the polished tips coming out the back. You look up at the motor. Motor and trans were rebuilt. The motor's fresh. The oil pan, all that's nice and clean. The transmission is the original VIN number matching Turbo 400 trans. Also looks fresh. The tag riveted to the side of it is dated 1974. And then the rear end, most of these come with a 342 posi. I'm pretty sure that's what's in this one still. So underneath the car, solid, proper, respectable. Now let's check out the body. The roof is real nice and straight, no issues. Now the factory puts a seam right here. There's a little bump if you look for it. There's some little bumps right in there. That can be a problem area. The hood looks in great shape. I'm just looking at the lines. This is absolutely square and flush. The rubber bumpers in real nice shape. This filler panel, we've had to replace a few of these on other cars. This just gets brittle and breaks, but all this looks to be in really good shape. The hood is in excellent shape. It has the shaker hood scoop. We got spoilers here. All this is real nice. Air extractors on the fenders. All this is nice and clean, straight. A lot of times there'll be door dents along this body line. This one is straight, lines up real nice. And just like I was talking on the other side, there are a couple bumps right here. There is factory filler there when they're brand new. This is all nice and clean and straight all the way down to the bottom. All lines up beautifully. The spoilers line up. The trunk lines up. The back bumper, all that's in really great shape. It's repainted its original color, Admiralty Blue, I think it's called, or Admiral Blue. Very nice dark blue with metal flake. Overall, it presents itself beautifully. It's smooth and glossy. It's all one color. Minor imperfections when you go looking for them, like I am right now. There are little dimples, bumps, pimples on the spoiler itself, not the car. Like here's a little imperfection. Some rock chips, you're always going to get them down here on these spoilers. So minor imperfections if you go hunting for them. Has the screaming chicken on the hood, the decals, they all look real nice. Headlight bezels are shiny chrome. The grills actually look like they're probably new. The black has all been redone, although someone just touched it. There's a little chip in the paint right there. It's just touched up. The back of the scoop is opened up. There's a wire mesh screen across there. The windshield's probably been replaced. This trim is in good shape. This is an option, the rain gutter trim. That's in good shape. A little bit of pitting on this original piece right here. The rubber seals been replaced. They're nice and soft. The back glass is real good. Couple light scratches. I love the honeycomb wheels. I'm a big fan of those. You don't see them very often. They're in real nice shape. They're actually like the center here. This is like a rubber. BF Goodrich tires. Tail lights look nice. Yeah, real good looking car. The outside of the car, it's an 8 out of a 10 for sure. Let's open it up, see how the inside rates. So how many of you remember having to pull the license plate down to put gas in the car or to open your trunk? This also has a power trunk release, which does work. I just tried it a minute ago. Painted up real nice, stickers replaced, jam, the weather strip, that's all real nice. Now you see we've got some extra items in here. Here is the original correct numbered Super Duty carburetor. That's probably $1,000, $2,000 these days. We have the original collapsible spare with the tire inflator that goes with that. And the jack would be mounted, probably can't see it, but it's mounted where it's supposed to be up underneath there. All clean, solid metal. Comes with the original radio. You're about to see there's a stereo in the car. Nicely spatter painted. Comes with a car cover. So clean and complete. And it comes with some bonuses. Door jambs look to be painted nice. Weather strips and sill plates were replaced. Door panels look new, including the door handles and window cranks and plastic. This is all nice. The knobs, the machine turn trim has the rally gauges with the tachometer. Padded dash is really nice. This has the original lighter, has a rear defogger. Dash pad has no cracks or splits. So here's the stereo. You can put the original back in if you ever wanted to. Also has an 8-track player. The center console's in real nice shape. There's no cigarette burns. The shifter, all of this looks really good. I love the Formula wheel, one of my favorite steering wheels on any car. Nice upholstery, that's been redone. Looks like all the seat belts are here. Back seats redone, the side panels, all the plastic trim looks real good. Headliner looks real nice, dome light works. Visors, everything's really nice inside here. Also 8 out of 10, in my opinion. So again, VIN number matched, original motor, has the correct heads, the correct high output exhaust manifolds. These were special blocks. They're cast differently, a heavier duty block. They were hand assembled with high performance parts right at the factory. Rated at 290 horsepower. Everyone says it was underrated. And everything's nice and clean. The metal surfaces, the hinges, the motor itself, all painted up real nicely. A nice overflow bottle for the radiator, shroud, cap, everything looks right. It's power steering, power brakes, all the snorkel equipment, the squirters are hooked up. Yeah, it still has the muscle car sound. There's the loping cam. Genuine documented number match Super Duty. They made less than 1,000 of these all together in 1974, and they made just a handful of them in 73. However you want to cut it, this is an extremely rare car, so there's not many that exist, and this is a really good one. Clean, straight, honest, legitimate car. Go to volocars.com. For what it's worth, I just checked the market and auction results. This is priced 20% under the other ones that I compared to. Go to volocars.com, and that's where you can talk to the salesman. They'll help get this delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it. If you enjoy the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.